Number 3 is Creality 3D Printer Ender FDM Printer. The Creality 3D Printer Ender 5 Plus FDM printer is an absolute game-changer for mechanical engineering enthusiasts. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, this 3D printer is a must-have for anyone seeking precision and efficiency. One of the standout features of the Ender 5 Plus is its auto bed leveling sensor. Say goodbye to tedious manual adjustments. Is it worried about the bed wobbling and dropping? Fear not! The Ender 5 Plus boasts rock-solid stability with its Z-axis frames. This means fewer points of failure and fewer headaches for you. Enjoy smooth and reliable printing without any worries. To further enhance its performance, this printer supports dual-axis motors. With a Y-axis dual-shaft motor and downshift Z-axis, your prints will move like a dream, delivering unparalleled precision. Say hello to flawlessly crafted mechanical parts. But that's not all. The Ender 5 Plus is incredibly user-friendly. Its touch color screen makes operation a breeze, allowing for easy and quick adjustments. Besides, it comes partially assembled, making the setup process a breeze. It's the perfect opportunity to delve into the fascinating world of 3D printing. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number